This is Moni Singh with the same chapter, that is weather, climate and adaptations. Today we are going to learn about the animals which are living in desert climate. Okay, so what are the different kinds of animals? They are like camel, kangaroo rat, fennec fox, some snakes. All these live in desert. Okay, so if we talk about camel, it can show so many adaptations to survive in the desert climate. Let us discuss one by one. What are the adaptations that can be seen, observed in camel? Okay, so first one is its lips are thick to eat prickly desert plants. We all know that in desert normal plants can't be found. किस तरह के plants होते हैं? Cactus, the plants which are having some spikes, कांटे होते हैं, thorns. Okay, so that types of plants are found in desert. So animals क्या खाएंगे? Obviously they have to depend upon such kind of plants. So जो camel होता है उसके lips thick होते हैं so that it can easily take the prickly desert plant. कांटे वाले plants को it can easily take through its lips. Okay, and इसके lips hard भी नहीं होते उससे because it is thick. Now next one is it is having long eyelashes to protect eye from sand. Obviously sand में desert में क्या होगा? कभी भी sandstorm can be happen, can be occur. So to protect eyes from such kind of sand, its eyelashes are long, जो कि इसे sand से बचाता है. Okay, now next one is large sole with pads. जो इसके leg के नीचे sole होता है, the sole that is found in the foot, that is large and with thick pads. So why it is there? To walk easily on hot sand. अब large sole है, that large sole will increase the area to walk smoothly on the sand. Sand में पैर को deep जाने नहीं देता, धंसने नहीं देता, so that it can easily walk on the sand. Okay, and at the same time its foot pads, sole pads are thick and that protect it from hot sand. Hot sand का भी effect नहीं होता इसके legs पे and it can walk easily on the sand. Now next one, its body is having hump and that hump is basically to store food and that food is stored for a long time and whenever it require food energy, then that food which is in the form of fat, it is stored, that it can get the energy from that stored fat food. Okay, so what happens, camel can survive without food for so many days and in a single time only it can intake much food. इतना ज़्यादा food वो ले सकता है and store कर सकता है so that it can survive so many days without food. So food is stored in the hump that is found on the back, ऊपर camel के body के ऊपर जो होता है. Okay, now next one, it can take more than 40 liter water in a single intake, single time. Okay, so why? Again, to survive without water for so many days in desert. Desert में ये कई दिनों तक बिना पानी के रह सकता है because in a single time it can take 40 liter of water and it can store it inside its body. Now next one, it excrete less. That means excretion, either sweating or urine, it excretes less so that water की जो loss है that will be minimized, that is minimized due to less excretion. Okay, now next one is it is having long legs. Why long legs? So basically long legs are there to radiate, to lose body heat. Maximum body heat it can radiate through its long legs and in that way it can cool itself. So this is how we can observe the different kinds of adaptations in camel. Now I think you understood this. Now move to the next one, that is kangaroo rat. Kangaroo rat is also showing lots of adaptation to survive in the desert climate. So what are these? Long tail and hind legs for balance and jump. It is having long tail to balance the body. Whenever it will jump or walk, for that the long tail will help it to balance. And hind legs, it is having long hind legs. जो पीछे के legs होते हैं, those are long to jump. Whenever it want to jump in desert, it helps it. At the same time, the long tail also helps it in protection, to protect itself from predator. Now it also excrete definitely less urine, and the urine is concentrated. Concentrated means in urine there is less water. Okay, urine is concentrated, that means it loses less water. Now doesn't sweat. ये भी sweating कम मतलब it doesn't sweating करता ही नहीं है to conserve water. So both of these features are showing how to conserve water by not sweating and by concentrated urine. It can conserve water. Now next one, it can survive without water. It can survive without water मतलब it can't take water. In fact, it doesn't take water, but it can survive in that water which it gets from food intake. जो भी ये food खाता है उससे जो भी water मिलता है, on that only it can survive, able to survive, and it doesn't take extra water for survival. Now next one, it can listen low frequency sound. This ability to listen low frequency sound helps it to protect itself from predator, at the same time to catch its prey. Okay. Now next one is it lives in burrow. So during daytime, fennec fox lives in burrow to protect itself from the scorching summer, and during night time it comes out from its burrow, and because the night temperature of desert is low and it is cold during night, and during day it is so hot, so it lives in burrow only to protect itself from the scorching summer. Okay. Now let us discuss about fennec fox, the another animal that is found in desert climate. So again, few features are same of the kangaroo rat and fennec fox. What are those? It also lives in burrow to protect itself from excess of summer, excess of heat, and at the same time it also comes out from its burrow during night time because of low temperature. Okay, so this feature is similar. Again, another one, it can also survive without water intake, and it also just live with the same water, with the water which it get from food only, food intake only. Okay. Now next one, so it doesn't drink water, take water, same feature. Now next one, it pant and lick its body to cool itself. Now what is pant? Pant is quick and short breathing. It does quick and short breathing to keep itself cool. At the same time, it licks its body to cool its body. Okay, it licks its body to cool itself. Now next one, it is having large ears. Large ears helps it to lose body heat, because whenever it is getting air, तो वो air जाएगा and जो body की heat है वो उसे वो कम करेगा. Now next one, kidneys are adapted to restrict water loss. It is having the kind of kidney in which जो urine excrete होता है that will be concentrated. Lacking of water in that urine will be observed. So in that way it also conserve water. Now next one is long legs and tail. Long legs and tail also help fennec fox to radiate body heat from body to outside to cool its body. Okay. Now when it lives in its burrow, then burrow का कुछ ऐसा structure होता है कि there is some water is condensed over that burrow, and finally it gets water droplets over there, and the atmosphere of burrow is cool, so in that case it can maintain the normal water that it needs, वो उससे maintain होता है. due to the structure of burrow as well. So in that way all the desert animals adapted to protect itself in such harsh climate, such kind of sandy climate and hot climate. So you just look at the screen.